Hey there, fellow car aficionados and safety-conscious drivers. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's been causing a bit of a stir. Why do some new cars keep failing those all-important crash tests? Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, we're peeling back the curtain on this automotive mystery and shedding light on what's been going on behind the scenes. Kicking off our crash course in crash tests, let's talk about changing safety standards. As technology evolves and our understanding of safety deepens, the bar for what's considered safe keeps getting higher. Sliding into the second spot, we're looking at the intricate world of collision scenarios. Modern crash tests evaluate a range of situations, from different angles and impact speeds. Some cars might excel in one area, but stumble in another. Revving up to number 3, pedestrian safety has taken center stage. Cars are now evaluated on how well they protect pedestrians in the event of a collision. This added layer of scrutiny can sometimes catch automakers off guard. Hitting the fourth spot, it's a delicate balancing act between performance and safety. As cars become more powerful and faster, engineers need to find innovative ways to ensure that safety isn't compromised. Zooming into the fifth position, we're exploring the rise of advanced driver assistance systems. While these technologies promise to make our roads safer, they also introduce new challenges when it comes to crash testing. Breaking into the top half, the electric revolution has also played a role. Electric vehicles have unique design considerations, and their battery placement can impact crash test performance. However, these materials might behave differently in a crash, requiring new engineering solutions. At number 8, we'll dive into the structural complexity of modern cars. With intricate designs aimed at improving efficiency and safety, sometimes the crash test results can be surprising. So, there you have it. A sneak peek into the reasons why some new cars might stumble when put to the crash test challenge. It's a constantly evolving landscape of innovation, safety, and engineering. What's your take on this collision of factors? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this exploration as intriguing as a good plot twist, don't forget to hit that like button. Have you ever wondered about the science behind those crash test ratings? Or maybe you've got a burning question about car safety that you'd love to discuss? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth discussions about the fascinating world of automobiles. Until next time, keep those seatbelts fastened and drive safe, my friends. Car Shield.